Are you looking for an opportunity to increase your capability to provide quality dental care to patients with disabilities? In 2022, the Center for Health Equity at Indiana University will offer free workshops in Indianapolis and Fort Wayne. The all-day workshop is tailored to the dental workforce in Indiana to help provide more competent care to people with disabilities. This in-person workshop will provide continuing education units through Indiana University. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 25% of adults in Indiana have some type of disability. This means 1 in 4 Hoosiers has some type of disability that impacts major life activities. Given the sheer number of Hoosiers with disabilities and the critical importance of dental care to general health and well-being, it is essential that the dental workforce provide quality dental care to Hoosiers with disabilities. For the provision of quality dental care, the dental workforce should increase their knowledge and capacity for accessible care, effective communication, and accommodations, as well as clinical competence. To improve access to dental care and oral health for Hoosiers with disabilities, the Center for Health Equity at the Indiana Institute on Disability and Community has been working on the Oral Health for Hoosiers with Disabilities project since September 2018. Based on the findings of comprehensive literature reviews, key informant interviews, and online surveys, the Center for Health Equity has developed the following trainings to address the capacity and needs of Indiana's dental workforce regarding the provision of dental care to patients with disabilities: behavior management, practice preparation for dental care for patients with disabilities, disability sensitivity and awareness, as well as oral health needs of Hoosiers with disabilities. By attending this workshop, you will be better prepared to help people with disabilities obtain their optimal oral health. The presenters for the workshop will be the Center for Health Equity, who will present the oral health needs of Hoosiers with disabilities based on the findings from multi-year research activities. Center staff will discuss experiences and challenges Hoosiers with disabilities and their caregivers encounter in dental care and home oral care, and the current capacity and needs of Indiana's dental workforce. Dr. Kathy Pratt, a board-certified behavior analyst and director of the Indiana Resource Center for Autism at Indiana University, will present on behavior management by providing an overview of common behavioral challenges in a dental setting and insights into why these behaviors occur. Attendees will learn about various strategies to help address these behavior challenges in their practice. Louise McCarthy has 40 years of experience as a dental hygienist and dental public health instructor. Currently development specialist for the ARC Gloucester in New Jersey, Louise has been dedicated to improving dental care for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. She will present on practice preparation for dental care for patients with disabilities. She will also provide guidance and tools that will help dental professionals make dental visits more welcoming and comfortable experiences for both themselves and patients of all abilities and their family caregivers. Dr. Amy Shaker is a sought-after speaker and trainer on diversity and inclusive practices for organizations and community groups. She will present disability sensitivity and awareness and effective communications with people with various types of disabilities. Registration for this all-day in-person workshop will be held the first half of 2022. The Center for Health Equity at Indiana University is a Category 1 continuing education provider for professions licensed in Indiana. Continuing education credits for dentists and dental hygienists will be available at no cost.